Wait, don't skip this video because what I'm about to show you can give you free $6,000 bonus without depositing your own money. Yes, real crypto money, not a scam, not fake, and I will show you step by step how to claim everything in this video. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end and quickly like this video. Let's get to 100 likes, guys, so that I will know that you're serious about this free Forex bonus. So if you are new here, welcome to my channel where I share legit ways to make money online, especially crypto and Forex bonuses. And please join my Telegram channel. That's where I post updates. Okay, and that's where I also post the link to claim the bonus. Okay, so make sure you join my Telegram channel for daily updates. Okay, so now let's get straight into today's real offer, which is the $6,000 no deposit bonus. Okay, so you can see it. We're going to be getting this bonus from your peeps. You can see it right here. Free $6,000 funded trading account, and this is how to claim it. It's right here. So you can see, follow our official step-by-step verified guide, leave a 5-star review on the Play Store app and Trustpilot, submit your screenshot via email or Discord, and our admin team will issue you $6,000 MT5 funded account for free. So it's as simple as that. So let me take you through the process of how to claim the $6,000 funded accounts. Okay, so this is it right here. You can see the step 1 app review. You can see the step 2 Trustpilot. Step 3 submit the form. Step 4 watch the YouTube video. Then step 5 you're going to get funded. Okay, so this is it right here. We have the verification steps. So now for the first step, you have to download the app. That's the first thing. Okay, so you have to download the app from Google Play or the App Store. Then you leave a 5-star review and capture a clear screenshot. Okay, so you can just click here to download the app. Yes, the name of the app is Your Peeps, as you can see it right there. So that's the first step. Download the app and leave a 5-star review. So the second step is for you to leave a Trustpilot review. So you post a 5-star Trustpilot review on the official YoPip page and save the confirmation screenshots. So that's the next step. So after you're done doing that, then the third step is to submit form via email or via Discord. Okay, so you're going to send both screenshots to support@yourpeeps.com or post them in Discord. You can see it. So that's the next step for you to do. Then after that, you watch Your Peeps on YouTube. So you're going to watch our short Your Peeps overview video on YouTube before submitting your review proof. That's the next step. Then the next one is for you to get verified and get funded. So admin verifies your proof and issues $6,000 MT5 accounts credentials by email within 48 hours. So that's when your account will be unlocked. So after you've done all that, the admin will verify your proof and issue you the $6,000 MT5 account. Okay, so you can see the 5 simple steps to get funded is as simple as that. I've said that before. You download the app, you leave a 5-star review. This is it right here. You can download using your App Store, then you can download using your Google Play, then leave a 5-star review on Trustpilot. You submit form via email or Discord. You can see it right here. You can see it. This is an example to show you, and you can see the the support at yopeeps.com. You can see the one for Discord. You join yopeeps Discord server, then you watch the yopeep YouTube video, then you get verified and you get your $6,000. Okay, so you can see the rules and the parameters. So the account size is $6,000, and you can see the entry costs, no deposits. It's actually free. Okay, they're not charging you for it, so you're not depositing anything. Then the trading platform that we're making use of is the MetaTrader 5, which you can see right here. The profit slip split is up to 90%. Keep up to 90% of profits after you pass the challenge and meet current payout terms. So you can see the review requirements, okay, which is the 5-star app plus Trustpilot. Then proof submission is the email or Discord. Then you can see the frequently asked questions. Okay, how do I get the free 6,000 yopeeps funded trading accounts? I've said that you have to download the app and do the necessary things. Okay, so any question that you have, you can see them right here. Okay, so you can just go through it. Is the 6,000 funded account really 100% free? Yes, it is. So you can see all the answers to the questions right here. Okay, so it's as simple as that. And it is very easy to claim. Okay, so just make sure you go and do yours right now. Do yours, download the app, then leave a 5-star review, do the necessary things, and get funded. Okay, so if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, it's as simple as that. And please like this video, subscribe to my channel, join my Telegram channel for more updates. Okay, and that's where I'm going to be posting the link to, so make sure you join my Telegram channel. So see you in the next video.